Hi, my name is Adam, and I'm a commercial underwriter at Bankers Insurance Company. Today I'm going to give you an overview of our equipment breakdown coverage and how to quote it. We now not only offer the equipment breakdown on our apartment and condo program, but also on our preferred office program. Our equipment program at Bankers is fully reinsured by Mutual Boiler Re and pays for the cost to repair or replace most electrical, mechanical, and pressurized equipment. We are excited about adding an equipment breakdown to our preferred office program because it not only covers things like computers, air conditioning units, and boilers, but diagnostic medical equipment like MRI, CAT scan, and X-ray machines. Now that I've introduced the product, let's jump in and try a quote. All right, most of you have seen this screen before. I've pre-filled some of the information so that we could get through this first screen a little more quickly. I'm going to go to next page. In this page, you're going to select your liability limits. We're going to go ahead and do 2 million, 4 million. You'll also notice on this page that the equipment breakdown is already selected for you. If you choose not to have the equipment breakdown endorsement, just simply uncheck the box. But for our purposes today, we're going to leave it checked. Next page. So now we're going to go to location. We're going to click the icon. We're going to use the mailing address as the location for the sake of the example. We're going to hit yes to within city limits. Update. Wind excluded. No, we want to keep the wind on there. And location deductible. Let's just choose the 2500 AOP, 2500 wind hail. Next. On to the next page. So this page is important because we're going to go to the office occupancy icon. Again, we're going to assign this to location 1, which we've already done in our location screen. We're going to go down to class code, and for this example, we're going to choose medical offices, no emergency. We're going to hit yes to diagnostic equipment, and we're going to call this MRI Center. Construction type JM, number of stories 1, year built 2005, area occupied 1,500 square feet, distance to hydrant 500 feet. Is the office occupancy sprinklered? We're going to hit no. We're going to put in a central station alarm. We're going to assume this is pretty secure. And for annual revenue, let's just go ahead and put in 900,000. Update. No to converted structure. Update. We're going to go on to the next page. Close. Now this is also important. We're going to look at the equipment breakdown icon, and this is how we're going to list our equipment. So let's go ahead and open up equipment breakdown icon. We're going to use MRI machine. We're going to say it is a Mercedes. The serial number. And the size. Now for MRI machines and CAT scans, they have special sizing. MRIs are actually measured in Teslas. The CAT scan machines are actually measured in slices. So we're going to say 2. I think that's pretty typical. It's 4 years old. We're going to say there's no service contract. The value, we're going to hit yes to service contract. And the value, we're going to put in 500,000. We're going to hit no to losses, and we're going to add this machine. Now you can see that the machine has been added and itemized on the policy for the sake of listing the equipment out and knowing what the value is. We're going to go ahead and hit next, and next page. Now this is also important because we are all accustomed to putting in an amount for business personal property. But now that we've listed and itemized this MRI machine and other equipment for the purposes of the equipment breakdown coverage, we're going to go ahead and add those into our business personal property limit. So for this example, I'm going to put in 715,000. Which is going to include not only the cost of our MRI machine, but the cost of our other office equipment, chairs, desks, computers, etc. We're going to go ahead and hit next page. There's your total. Next page. And here's our quote. We're going to go on to the next page. We're not going to add debits and credits onto this one, so we're going to head to the next page. All right, now, so we're going to go ahead and select a pay plan. I'm just going to choose the first one. We're going to hit next page. And now you see at the top the binding authority message, which is telling us that because of the amount of the listed equipment, it's now going to go to underwriter for approval. Hit submit. And it's that simple, folks. Equipment breakdown. Thank you.